Good day, everyone. Good day, especially to our instructor in this subject, Sir Camille G. Acabado. Good day, sir. Today I'll conducting taking fingerprint in different impression, which is the rolled impression and plain impression. So, ang gagamitin ko nga palang tools or equipment is the two surgical gloves, one black ball pen, the stamp pad kulay black, and especially yung fingerprint card. Ang basic rule nga pala sa pagkuha ng fingerprint is thumbs in, fingers out. So, ang napili ko nga palang subject ay si Miss Saira Ocampo. So, mag-start tayo. So, I will conduct an interview. So, what is your last name, ma'am? First name?
Saira.
Middle name?
Maganda.
Araw ng iyong kapanganakan?
May 31, 2004.
Place of birth?
Buena Vista, Quezon.
Male? Filipino? Ang height niyo po?
High blood po.
Black. So ayun, let's start. First ay mag-usap na tayo ng surgical gloves. So ayun, let's start.